Delhi that to Ashok Gehlot that we are also in this contest, and Sachin Pilot is getting the due tacit support on this. Now it has to be seen, Aishwarya, that if more than 100 MLAs appear in the meeting which Ashok Gehlot has called right now in the morning, then I think Congress will be on a front foot. But apart from that, I do agree with you. What happens and transpires by evening will be extremely important. If Ashok Gehlot is able to have a march of more than 100 MLAs to Governor's office, then I think he will be in a comfortable position. And then Sachin Pilot has to think about forming his own party or going in BJP, whatever be the choice. So I think it's evenly balanced at this moment. But overall, there's a big loss of perception for the Congress party, and particularly for the families, Aishwarya, because if they're not able to keep their stalwart leaders together
Pradeep,
and not take care of their differences within
absolutely,
the party.
Pradeep, we are joined by our colleague Piyush as well. Piyush, a lot of tussle is going on. At this point of time, 17 MLAs are with Sachin Pilot here in the national capital, Piyush. But then we are being told that as soon as that meeting at Ashok Gehlot's official residence ends, more MLAs could head to Delhi, Piyush.
Well, yes, right now we are at ITC Grand in Gurugram, Aishwarya, and we know that there are more and more rooms have been booked yesterday, and around 35 rooms were booked. And looking at that, MLAs, there are more than a dozen MLAs who are already staying here, and more than a dozen more can come from Rajasthan and they can join them. So this somewhere denotes that there is a troublesome situation for Gehlot, but at this point of time, he is also planning to take out a march towards the governor's house. So there are certain developments taking place, but yes, only there are two options left with Sachin Pilot. One, either he has to form his own party and then contest elections and then go with the BJP. If we talk about BJP is not in hurry to take a decision as far as taking the Sachin Pilot along with them is concerned. Now we'll have to wait and watch how the situations take around. Let me try to show you visuals from this very place from where I'm reporting. There is some sort of security which has been stepped up at ITC Grand in Gurugram area of Delhi, where some security personnel have been deployed, and since morning we have seen the security being beefed up. Inside also, there are some police personnel who are deployed in plain clothes. What we are also picking is that for the last 2 to 3 days, the hotel has stopped taking bookings from outside. There's only the 35 rooms which we know about, those were booked, and after that a tight vigil is being maintained here in this hotel. Now we'll have to wait and watch after this meeting which is going on at Gehlot's residence, what kind of things come out, and how Sachin Pilot is going to, who claims to, who is against, who is now, very much of the view to go against the Gehlot. How is he going to come up with the kind of list of MLAs which he has given, because he's saying that he has got the support of 30 MLAs. Now we'll have to wait and watch who all MLAs are going to come out in support of Sachin Pilot.